So I'm here to talk about the 2026 WIAA Girls Hockey Tournament Section 1 and 3. The 24 teams in this bracket, so Section 1. In the region, we had Northland Hines defeated Stephen Point 4-3 overtime and 1 overtime. Hayward Club blew out Minden for succeed there's combined scores in hockey. I have 10 hockey teams because there's that popularity in hockey. So DC Everest Squad, especially in bigger, smaller areas. DCM schools, DC Everest Squad. And then DC Everest Squad beat fell the Northland Hines Squad 2-1. Hayward fell the Superior Northwestern 3-2 in overtime. And Hudson 3-2 about Garfield Squad. Somerset Squad beat the Catholic. True Falls Magdalene Central Catholic penalty. Or actually 26 times. So we have Eau Claire North Club 7-1 over Westing Club. And then Section Championship. And it's Northland Hines Club. Oh, the Superior Northwestern Sound, I think. And Rosewoodson. And it's Somerset Eastern. It's part of Furlow's Ball and Widow Somerset. For 2 other Somerset. And then in Section 3. Actually, there's 27 teams. One section has 6 teams. Section 1. We had Leader Club. Defeated Fun Club 3-1. Cutler Club 7-0 over Arrowhead Club 60. And the 2 seed Leaders Skomoki Club beat Brooklyn Central 3-1. And then 1 seed Club Beckett defeated Luther Club 9-1. And then Zebra Club 2-1 over Weaver Skomoki Club. And then Beaver and then Silent Club 5-0 lost to Milton Club. And the Parker Club fell the Bearable Club 4-2. Waroko Club fell the Sunburg West Club 13-0. And the Puro Club 9-1 over Zebra Club. And Seaburg 2-1 over Rangers Skomoki. And Beaver 4-2 over Milton. Sunbury West 4-6 over Bearable. And the Pure Club defeated Zebra Club at University of Wisconsin Milwaukee. And then Sunbury West defeated Beaver Dam and Beaver Dam finished registering. And then Upper State Girls Hockey Tournament moves through March 5th. Milton, Wisconsin, published with Legacy 20. We have the Pure Club with 5-1 win over Sunbury West. And the Northwest Club 2-7 over Northwestern. So Northwestern. And Pure Club 5-4 win over Northwest Club.